Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm just gonna bring you guys along my Sunday. We just came back from the store and now I'm gonna just fix up the house because I have some things to fix. I want to hang up, where's the lighting? I want to hang up some things I bought for the restroom, and then for my beauty room I'm gonna hang up some things. So I'm excited. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. Guys, what I'm gonna hang, I'm gonna hang this right here. It's not gray, it has other colors. I'll show you guys. And then we're also gonna hang these frames that I bought at, so these I bought at Hobby Lobby. No,
Those two?
yes, I bought these at Home Goods. They were super cheap and I just like them because they have like neutrals and pinks, and this one's gonna go in the restroom. I want it on this wall right here because I didn't know what I was gonna put here, and I want something in this restroom so it doesn't look just like a blank wall. So yeah. Hey guys, it's all chocolate, imagine. It's going on. Do you guys like it? Something different. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. It's not like somebody's gonna be like, it's chueco. You can't even really. Look guys, look how nice this is. It's just something added to the restroom, right? Okay. I'm not gonna mess with it. But so when you walk into a restroom, you'll see this. I think it's perfect height too, right? I'm just short. So I love it. I love it. It just goes. Okay. We're gonna move on to this room to put my cuadros. I just don't know if I'm gonna do like next to each other or if I'm gonna do one higher than the other one. So so I'm cleaning the walls because obviously they're not going to be cleaned after we paint this. So happy. My initial thought was that I was going to put them on this wall, but since there's two doors here, I don't really like that door covers them, so I just decided to put them here. And then they look nicer because they're long and slim. So here I think I'm just gonna put a mirror, like a round mirror. I still haven't decided. And then this wall, I don't know if I'm gonna put anything, just because there's two doors, so I hate that. And then I still have these walls, but I don't think I'll put anything either. So it just, I love it. It looks really nice, huh? Look, guys, and I bought these at Home Goods for $24.99. Hopefully, go to your local Home Goods and see if they have these, if you guys like them. And then, let me show you the one in the restroom. And this one I bought at Ross. This was $45.99, so something different. I like it. I really like it. But anyways, okay guys, let me show you. My little sister bought these. These are so good. This is like my treat because I'm trying not to eat that bad. So they're chocolate covered blueberries. 10 out of 10, I recommend. And I just put them here. I also have these like organic ones, which are really good. I forget I have these. But since like now it's starting to get warmer, it's nice to have like some treats. This one I opened it right now. I'm gonna eat it right now. And then I have some vanilla ice cream. So this is how my fridge looks. And then this is this side. I have some almond milk, some creamer, some sodas that were left over from the Super Bowl or I don't know what they were left over from. Okay, then I have some bananas and these. Oh, I'm actually gonna make some oatmeal with this. I have some pepinos too, which I'm gonna eat also. And then I went to the swamp meet and I bought those mangoes porque se me antojaron. It just looks so good. So that, and then what else goes in the fridge? This piña, I'm just gonna keep it out here porque todavía no está. See, it's still green. Now it's time for this side. I know I have some things that are probably expired, so let's go ahead and clean this side. I need my little stepping stool. Oh, I love my frame. So if you guys haven't seen my video how I organized, make sure you guys watch because I had a really fun time organized. Hey guys, so I'm putting my stuff away. I just realized that I have a lot of like nuts. I have these types of nuts and then salty ones. And then over here I have almonds, which is good, you know, which is good, but I have a lot of those. And then right now I bought these organic everything bagel chips, and oh my goodness, this is so good, so good. I bought these at Costco. I'm gonna put them in this jar right here, and then I always put the expiration date. I'll link down the video that I shared with you guys to show you how I store my food, but bought this at Home Goods, and I just kind of put it out here. And then I cut these from my garden. Guys, always trust the journey. I feel like there's always something good coming your way. But anyways, I wanted to share that. And then Hera loves these sparkling ice waters, so I'm gonna put that away right now. And then I also bought these famous Sensitive Plus racers because I ran out. So I bought these at Costco, and honestly these last a really long time. So, and I think they're like $23, something like that. But they last me, wow, they last me a pretty long time, guys. So okay guys, I literally stopped filming because we were eating and all that, and then I got distracted. But I'm gonna put away some of these things. Look at my beauty desk. It's a mess, so I'm just gonna put the camera. This I love. It's placenta for your hair. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's like a leave-in conditioning treatment. I bought these at Sally's. They're like about $2.70 each. You guys apply this after you shower, and it strengthens your hair, and I really recommend it. I'm just gonna keep them out here so I can remember on YouTube. But this is the Bioderma. It's micellar water. It's a makeup remover, and it's so good. I recommend this one, and it's for sensitive skin, which I have sensitive skin. Okay, I just continued cleaning, but I'm gonna go to bed now. It's almost 9:30 and I have to be up by 5 o'clock. But look how cute at this, look how cute. I bought this desk planner. It was only $3. I bought it at the Swap Meet. Look how cute. Oh, I just love it so much. I'm gonna leave it here. I actually need a chair for this room. And then, yeah, but I'm gonna get into that side. I also bought, I've been really reading Colleen Hoover's books. You guys have to read her books. So good. And I bought this one for $3. And this is $11.99 on Amazon. So I got a great deal. And then I also set up for tomorrow morning because I am gonna wake up at 5 for my workout. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed my Sunday video with me. I will try to film something else soon. I don't know what, so comment down below what you guys want to see. But anyways, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.